journey begins in Brisbane, travel south 280 kilometres to Yamba in northern New South Wales, Australia.
Oh, wouldn't want to fall off here, be in the drink. Very windy too. Pushing the van a bit.
Yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the
Things to do in Yamba, New South Wales.
it was called yellow. So then I took my turn.
That absolutely brilliant. Not so much the one beside it. Drained it. Yeah, and so there's the surf club behind us. Have a look at the surf club. There it is. The Pacific Hotel is behind the lighthouse, just on the hill. An old hotel. It has a good reputation as far as one of the best views you could possibly have in accommodation. Brilliant views and really good prices, I hear. Really worth checking out. You can even have a meal in there, or you can have a beer or whatever, and look over that view. Look at that. And the accommodation's up even higher again, above that. Look at that, you can look down on the surf club. Looked out thinking I might get a knock, but I didn't get a knock.
Yamba Street. Well, I've got no problems here.
Yeah, I wanted a coffee. Really felt like a coffee.
Drive slow. You got no problem with me.
I agree with that. Surfing. I could not believe it. So I had to cook my own breakfast and my own coffee in the van. And look at that, avocado. So I can have a smashed avocado for that. And we got to go to Spooky Beach.
Alright, let's see how we go.
Bad, but it will be very, very interesting to anyone who wants to go and explore Yamba. And yeah, she backed out and we got to go to Spooky Beach, which really wasn't very spooky at all. You know, the only thing spooky about it was as I walked down to the beach, were kids following me, heaps of kids on school holidays. That was spooky.
Warning guys. Harmful algae may be present in this water. Contact may cause serious harm to humans and animals. So if you go in there, there's a big chance you might get an ear infection.
we could do then and forever. Yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the things you do. And it was called
This video is pretty good. Deserves a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Next week, a few dramas. I'll use the motorbike lane to cross the Sydney Harbour Bridge and land up on Bondi Beach.
I don't even know what lane I'm supposed to be in. Anyway, the left lane looks good to me. I can see the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Monumental part. I've always wanted to take the van over here. And here we go. Here we go. Oh, we're going through one of the legs of the bridge. I don't know what's going on here. That guy went the bus lane, but he's got a cab. There's a bit of breathe in here. There's not much room.
what about all this time they freak me out? I swam across, I jumped across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. 'Cause you were all